high level language. It is a general purpose and structured programming language. It helps in the development of system software. System software like operating system. C is mainly used for designing operating system. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. Any programming language has its own rules for writing programs. C is also having some rules for writing programs. First one is all keywords must be lowercase letters. We use lowercase letters for writing C programs. We use uppercase letters only when declaring constants like declaring 5 value. Second one is C is case sensitive. We write num in lowercase letters and somewhere we write in uppercase letters. Then C preprocessor treated as lowercase letter num is different from uppercase letter num. Third one is keywords can't be used. C is having some keywords like int, float. We can't use them for storing values like int is equal to 100. Fourth one is main function. C program is divided into functions. In each program we should write one main function. It is the heart of the program. The program execution starts with the main function. Basic structure of a C program. First we write comments. Comments begin with slash star and ends with star slash. It is used for our purpose what the below code is doing. Comments can be written anywhere on the program, but by practice we write first comments. Then we write preprocessor statements. Preprocessor statements begin with hash symbol. If we want to use some functions, then we should include their header files in the preprocessor statements. Also we can declare constants in this statement. Then we write main function. The program execution starts with the main function. Without the main function, the program will not be executed. Then we write the braces. The left brace indicates the beginning of the main function and the right brace indicates the end of the main function. Then in the braces we write the declaration. The declaration part consists of all the variables, arrays, functions, etc. Then in the braces we also write statements. Statements are the instructions to the computer to perform some specific operations like arithmetic statements. All the statements are end with a semicolon. Then we write the user defined functions. If we write some functions, then it is called as user defined functions. It is always written after the main function. Then write your first program in Turbo C. Here we have written void main. Void means that the function does not return a value. Then CLR SCR function. It clears text mode window and it is included in the header file conio.h. Then printf function. It displays the sentence on the screen and it is included in the header file stdio.h. Just write the sentence in double quotes. Then getch function. It gets a character from the input but does not echo to the screen and it is included in the header file conio.h. Then press Alt and F9 key for compiling the program. Then it will show success if you write the program correctly, otherwise it will give errors. Then run the program by pressing the key Ctrl and F9. Then it will show the output as programming language. Then press any key to go to the previous window. This is our first program. Thanks for watching my video.